Hello everyone, this is Manoj. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll tell you how we can get premium HTML templates and premium themes for free of cost. Being a web developer, every day we need to use any new HTML design or HTML templates or HTML bootstrap kind of thing or premium themes. So in today's video, I'll tell you how we can get all these stuff for free of cost. So watch the video till the end. So as you can see on the screen, this is a website. Here, if I search, let's say e-commerce, so now it will give us a lot of e-commerce templates. So for let's say, so you can see a lot of templates are there. So let's open any one of them. Let's go to the second page. And if I open, let's say this is a new tab, go to the new tab. So here, and if I click on demo, so you can also check how many pages are there, if slider is there or not, and what is there on the product page, about page. So you can see everything over here. Let me go back to the templates page, and if I search again, let's say education, so you can see we got a lot of educational templates. So let's open this one, and if I click on demo, so it will open the same template for a viewable format. So you can see this is the template, and so you can see this is a kind of one pager template. Perfect. Again, go back to the templates page, and if I search banking, so it will give these templates related to the banking. Let's open this one, and if I click on demo, so this is the overall template. Perfect. You can see we got a beautiful menu and all the pages are working. If I click on about, so it goes to the about section, services. So again, this is a kind of one page or template. Perfect. So you can see you can search any template over here, and it got a lot of HTML templates and web WordPress themes. Whatever kind of your need, you will get a template for sure over here. So this is about the templates. Now let me tell you how you can download it for free. Means you don't need to pay anything to download the templates. All right. So now if I go back to the any template, let's say here, so you can see we got a button free download, but it will not work like this. If you click on this free download, first it will ask you to log in your account. So for login, you just need to create a simple account over here. That okay. So you just need to give an email address and password and click on register. So the moment you click on register, the whatever email ID you have given over here, you will get a verification link on that particular email ID. So you just need to go your email ID and click on the verification link. Once you verify your email ID, then you come back to this website, and then let me also show you. So I'm in my account now. So after getting login, so we just need to search, let's say admin panel. So I'm searching admin panel HTML templates. So let's open this one. So you can see this is a HTML template, and if I click on demo, so I can see how many pages are there and what is there on the dashboard and what kind of charts over there. You can see the chat box. So everything is there. So go back to the main page. So here the free download button is enabled now. So if I click on this free download, so it takes me to the download page. So here you can see all five social media plugins. So to download it, you need to click any one of them and you need to follow the website. You need to like it, share whatever plugin is there. You need to do the same task for them, and then you would be able to download the template. All right. But again, there is a hack. Let's say if you don't want to follow this website on the Twitter account, so we just need to click on this, and you don't need to go to your Twitter profile and submit it. You just need to close this one, and your download link will be activated for you. Now, if you click on this download, so you can see that the HTML template has been started download. So the download has been complete. If I go to the downloaded folder, and if I double click on this because it's in the zip folder, and if I open the folder, so you can see all the files and folders are there inside this. All right, so let me close this one and let me extract this so that I can show you all the related files and folders inside it. So extract file, okay, and here it is. So if I click on index, because this is the starter page of every HTML template, go to the browser. So here it will open the downloaded template. So let's wait for a moment. Here it is. So you can see the same template has been downloaded in your local machine. So now if you click on the buttons, it will perform the activities whatever it was expected to do. So again, so you can see the notifications are working, the profile is working, perfect. So everything is working as expected. So you can see how easy it is to download any premium template for free of cost just in 5 minutes. All right. So you just need to go to this website, create a profile over there, and after that you need to verify your profile and come back to this beautiful website and simply search whatever kind of template you need, and that's it. You can download it for free of cost. So all right, so that's it for this video. I hope you like it. If you did so, hit the like button, share, comment, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, go to my channel and subscribe so that whenever I post this kind of videos, so you'll get the notification at the earliest. Also, you can also follow me on my Instagram so that we can talk one to one, just in case you need any help regarding this video or my previous content. So I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.